Welcome to Nelson's English School, Standard 3rd, Subject EVS NCERT, Chapter 11, Topic are Vehicles. Now I am going to read our vehicles. The train. Come on children, let's play a game. Climb aboard the chugging train. Blow your whistles and take your seats on two shoulders if you please. Forward, backward, backward, forward. But in a line, don't run outward. Stay in line and shut your eyes. With open eyes, you will nothing spy. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. On roads of iron we move to and fro. Here come the lights and there they go. Across the meadows, over the hills, past egging farmers' temples, mills, past village wells and a lush green field with broken walls and a potato field. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Smoky clouds, fads and crowds, village fairs, riders on mares, flock of birds, clustered herds, bridges and paths, dhobi ghats, small tea shops, puddles and flocks. Chuk, 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 the train is on its way. Stop, 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 all the stations say. Read and understand. During vacation, all go out of station. Some go nearby, whereas some go far away places. Some of them are going by bus, train, or aeroplane. Journey can be done in many ways. Some children shared their vacation here. I went to my uncle who lives in Delhi. Earlier, we used to go from the railway station to his house in a bus. But this time it was great fun. We went by the train, which went through an underground tunnel. We did not even come to know that cars were running on the road about the tunnel. It was my bua's wedding. I met many relatives. We had a good time eating, drinking and playing. Bhaiya came from America in an aeroplane. Imagine he came from so far but reached here in one day. Bua looked very beautiful when she was going in the wedding dolly. I went to my Nani's house in Kerala where she lives. There is water everywhere. From the station, we could have taken a bus or a taxi to reach her house. Instead, we took a boat straight to her house. It felt a little strange, but we had fun. We went to Shimla during the vacations. The bus moved on the zigzag roads on high mountains. It was very scary when we looked down. We had to walk long distances in Shimla. My dadi would get tired very quickly. We would make her ride on the horse. I never got tired. I enjoyed walking. My Masi lives very close to our house. Whenever I feel like going to her, I quickly climb on my bicycle and rush to her place. Ma and Chotu have to take a cycle rickshaw to go to Nani's house. I went to my Mamaji's village. From the railway station, there is no bus going to his village. So we went in a bullock cart. We crossed lush green fields on the way to the village. I loved the sounds of the bells tied around the necks of the bulls.